Do you feel stuck in your finances, in your relationships, in your health? And does it feel like life is stuck, just simply repeating the same patterns? That's not bad luck. That, my friends, is stuck energy. If the energy is stuck in your pranic body, the life feels heavy. In the next few minutes, we'll go through a precise pranayama sequence, breathwork sequence. If you do these breathing exercises in the correct sequence and pair it with kumbhaka, these breathing exercises become 10 times more effective. And when you do these pranayama breathwork exercises in the wrong sequence, energy gets stuck. It's like trying to open a safe with the wrong sequence of numbers. You can put all the effort, but it would never open. You practice this for the next 30 days, and I guarantee that you will feel the shift in your energy, and that would reflect in your circumstances. So today, every breathing technique we go through, whether it's Bhastrika, Tummo breathing, alternate nostril breathing, we pair it with kumbhaka to get this energy to flow. So the first one we'll do is Kapalbhati Pranayama, the breath of fire, to get the dormant, sleeping energy at the bottom of your spine, root chakra, to move, to awaken. Then we use Tummo breathing to shake this energy and start moving with the fire element. Then we do Bhastrika Pranayama to bring this energy, pump it up through the spine. Then we go into alternate nostril breathing, and we end with 6 chants of Om. Om will use it as an instrument to pull this energy up from the root chakra all the way towards the crown chakra. So without any further, let's go on to the first exercise. All right, the first pranayama we'll do is the breath of fire, Kapalbhati Pranayama. So come into cross-legged, keeping your spine straight. Take a big inhale and exhale completely. Inhale halfway, and we begin. Exhale completely, and now we hold the breath out 15 seconds, engaging the root chakra. Rejuvenating breath in, and now we hold the breath in 30 seconds. Engage the root chakra again. Beautiful. Allow the breath to come out in normally, and just watch your energy as you sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends, we got the energy to shake. Now, let's get this energy moving with Tummo breathing. In and out 30 times, and then hold the breath in for 30 seconds. Inhale fully, exhale with pursed lips. Holding the breath in 30 seconds, engaging your root chakra. Beautiful job, my friends. Exhale, inhale normally, and allow the breath to come back to its normal rhythm. Sit in meditation, 30 seconds. Slowly start to open your eyes. Beautiful job, my friends. Now that we have gotten this energy to move, shake, let's pump it up through the spine towards the higher chakra with Bhastrika Pranayama, Bellows breath. Inhales and exhales both are active processes. Inhale fully. Exhale completely, holding the breath out 15 seconds. Pull the diaphragm up, belly in. Inhaling one more time and engaging the root chakra, 30 seconds hold. Amazing. Allow the breath to come out in normally and again sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, now that we have gotten this energy to move up, we created a positive momentum for this energy to go up. Let's go into alternate nostril breathing again with Kumbhaka to get this energy to start purifying our energy channels. Remember, alternate nostril breathing, when we combine it with breath hold Kumbhaka, it becomes Nadi Shodhan Pranayama, energy purifying breath. So coming into Vishnu Mudra, inhale 6 left, hold 3, exhale right 6, inhale right 6, hold 3, exhale left 6, inhale left 6, hold 6, exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 6. Exhale left 6. Inhale left 6. Hold 9. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 9. And exhale left 6. Beautiful job. Slowly allow the breath to come out in normally. And now, without any delay, we'll move on to 6 chants of Oms. Om, you bring the energy from the lower chakras and continue it moving up all the way towards the crown chakra, coming into Hakini Mudra, bringing the tips of the fingertips to touch, creating a little distance between the palm. Inhale fully. Beautiful job, my friends. Slowly start to open your eyes. And now just simply observe your body, observe the thoughts, observe your energies, and see how you're feeling right now. You feeling a little more stable? Are you feeling a little more grounded? So please practice this for the next 30 days and stay consistent, and you'll see how your inner life starts to change. And then that starts reflecting in your circumstances. So here's this week's question from Divya. She says, how do I engage the root chakra after the exercise? So what is the Mula Bandha? Mula Bandha is the root lock when you pull the perineum muscles up, your pelvic floor muscles up towards the spine. And that's how you engage your Mula Bandha. So thank you for asking that question, Devya. I hope this question helps a lot of other audience who have a similar question. So please let me know any questions you guys have for this video in the comment section, and we'll get to that. And if you like to go deeper with your spiritual progress, we have created a beautiful app called the School of Breath for you. You can download this app on your phone from iOS or Google Store. It has all our breathwork timed animation and all our courses. If you want a downloadable full sequence of today's exercise, you can find that in the description. If today's session was helpful for you, you can enroll in our complete breathwork course for conscious decision making. This step by step program is designed to help you build confidence and align your choices with who you truly are. You can join us through our Holistic Awakening membership, which gives you access not only to this course, but also to all our breathwork and meditation programs. Plus, you can download the School of Breath app to access all our courses, timed guided breathwork sessions, guided meditations, and calming sleep music all in one place. Don't delay your transformation. Click the link in the description to begin your path to empowered and conscious decision making. All right, my friends, I hope you got a little value from this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of yoga, pranayama in their life. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abhi Dugal. Thank you for tuning into the School of Breath. Namaste, peace, and love.